Welcome back to TechMan. In this video, we will guide you through the process of enabling the Buy It Now button on the DEBUTE theme in Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin panel. As you can see here, Buy It Now and the Add to Cart button is disabled, and it says Sold Out. When your product has no stocks, your Buy It Now button will most likely to be disabled to avoid misinformation to your customers. To enable this one, we must exit this editor. From your dashboard, navigate to Products right here. On this page, you can see all your listed products. As you can see on our tumbler item over here, I have 0 stocks. To edit this one, just simply click the item, then scroll down to Inventory over here. I suggest to change this available and on-hand quantity. Just increase this one. Then on the top, click Discontinue Selling when out of stock. Don't forget to save this one. Now let's head over again to your online store from the Themes dashboard. Click Customize here. On the top, click the drop-down menu and select Products and hit Default on the prompt. On the preview on your top left, let's change this product by clicking this change over here. Then select the item you want to edit on your right side. And here, we can now see that your Buy It Now button is now activated. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.